बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सेक्शन 20 को। सेक्शन 20 एप्लीकेशन फॉर डिपॉजिट ऑफ रेंट। If landlord refuses to accept the rent, the tenant may file an application in the rent tribunal for deposit of the rent. Refusal to accept rent, the rent tribunal shall, without prejudice to the rights of the landlord, allow the tenant to deposit the rent for the period for which the landlord has refused to receive the rent deposit of rent. The rent tribunal shall inform the landlord of the deposit of rent by the tenant and may pass an order permitting the landlord to collect the same information to landlord regarding deposit of rent. Appearance of parties and consequences of non-appearances under section 21. If an application is other than application for deposit of rent is filed, the rent tribunal shall issue notice to the respondent in the form prescribed in this schedule for appearance of the respondent on a date not later than 10 days through process server, registered post acknowledgement, due and courier service. Notice for appearance of respondent. A notice under subsection 1 shall be accompanied by copies of the application and the documents annexed with the application annexed with notice. If the respondent fails to appear and the rent tribunal is satisfied that the notice has not been served on the respondent or the respondent is willfully avoiding the service of the notice, the rent tribunal may direct service of the notice by two methods: affixing a copy of the notice at some conspicuous part of the rented premises or residence of the respondent, or publication in the press, electronic media, or any other mode. The notice has been served. The rent tribunal may proceed ex parte and pass the final order. Setting aside ex parte dismissal in default of application for restoration. Leave to contest, written reply, payment of rent and other dues pending proceedings. So written reply, if the leave to the contest is granted, the rent tribunal shall treat the application for leave to contest as a written reply. Payment of rent and other dues pending proceedings. In next section 25, recording of evidence and periodical for disposal of application and appeal. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.